Hey guys everyone, I'm Neat, and today I just wanted to give you guys some Final Cut Pro editing tips, and I promise you guys, these ones will definitely help you in your editing process.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Magnetic timeline. Some people love it, some people hate it. Matter of fact, some people just decide to disable it, and working with connected clips can be very frustrating at times. If you don't know what connected clips are, it's the clips on top and under your main storyline. It can be a video, it can be a title, it can be a generator, it can be even an audio. You can usually just add them by dragging the clip on top of your main storyline, or by clicking here, or just by pressing Q. And there's this small dot right here that is called the connection point. That connects the connect clip to the clip on the storyline. But here's the problem: if you delete this clip on the timeline, it will also delete all the clips connected to it. It's very frustrating when it happens. So here's what you need to do. Move the connection point to another clip first by pressing and holding the Option and the Command key at the same time, and then click where you want the connection point to be moved to. But here's an even better way to edit without affecting any other clips on your timeline. Just press and hold the tilde key and you can do whatever you want, and it will not affect the other clips on your timeline. You can trim, cut, delete, it will not affect the other clips. It's like a secret weapon.
Nice place.
And believe me, it's really good to have this in your tool bag. Now guys, for this next tip, I usually use it for my audio, but it also works for any of your connected clips, like your adjustment layers, titles, generators, your B-rolls, and all that stuff. And the magic happens when you put your fingers on the G key and the Command key together. Check this out. It's like you're putting the connected clip in a folder or a new group. Final Cut actually calls it a new storyline. There is this little gray bar up here that will tell that it's a new storyline, and you can cut and move clips around within that new storyline, and it won't affect your main storyline at all. So to do that, you just need to press Command G. Now you're able to do all of that within this new storyline, and you didn't affect the position of the clip on the main storyline or any of your connected clips above your main storyline. And that's it. If you guys get value from this video, go check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.